Assalamu alaikum students. I hope everybody is doing well. So today we are going to read this essay number 7, that is the monsoon or a rainy day. So if we talk about a rainy season or a rainy day that visits us each round the year in July when the heat is at its peak, every man, woman, children, animal, bird wish to rain to start to give relief to them from this hot and humid weather. And the first rain of the season is always welcomed by everybody. So in this essay we would also be using some quotations to make it more impressive, and the quotations are: be still, sad heart, and cease repining. Behind the clouds is the sun still shining. Thy fate is the common fate of all. Into each life some rain must fall. This quotation is showing hope that no matter what things are going on into our life, after the hot and humid sun, the clouds would definitely come and they swipe away all the dark parts of your life. And the second quotation that we have: after the rain comes the fair weather. Comes is the word of Old English which means comes or come according to the subject. So in this quotation they are telling us that there will be a nice weather after the rain. You may use these quotation as an opening statement or in the middle of the essay or in the end of the essay. Let's start reading the essay now. In the first week of July, the sky was heavily overcast. Heavily overcast means अंधेरा छा जाना आसमान पर, and rain clouds swept across the sky, और बारिश लाने वाले बादल आसमान पर छा गए. Strong southwesterly winds that blew over the Indian Ocean brought the monsoon clouds which caused a lot of rain. Southwesterly, Junub Maghribi, Indian Ocean, Bahira Hind. Southwesterly monsoon is refreshingly cool and it brings relief to the gasping heat stricken people. Gasping गर्मी से हाँपते हुए, heat stricken people लू लगे हुए लोगों को राहत पहुंचाता है. So it did in July when the temperature rose alarmingly high. Alarmingly खतरनाक सतह तक बढ़ जाना या उभर आना. Newspapers carried reports of deaths by heat stroke or exhaustion and the death toll was mounting. Heat stroke, गरम लू लगना, exhaustion, कमजोरी, and the death toll was mounting, अमवात की शरह का बढ़ना. Every day arose. A night before, it had been oppressively hot and humid. Oppressively जालिमाना तौर पे, hot and humid, गरम और मरतूब. It was a dazzling sunrise and the moist dew on the grass glittered in the sunshine. Glittered mean चमकना. Surprisingly, हैरानी तौर पे, the wind rustled through the swaying tops of trees. That was splendid. The wind rustled, हवा की सरसराहट, through the swaying tops of trees. दरख्तों की ऊपरी सतह का झूलना. That was splendid, शानदार था. The humid heat was gone in no time. मरतूब हरारत थोड़े ही टाइम में गायब हो गई. We saw the rolling mass of black clouds across the sky. There was a flash of lightning, बिजली का चमकना, quickly followed by a clap of thunder, बादलों का गरजना. Large raindrops began to fall. The moment they fall, the dry earth sucked them, चूस लिया या चूसना. It was followed by a heavy shower. Heavy shower means तेज बारिश. In the soothing shadows of dark clouds, the streets were turned into stream. Soothing राहत देना, shadows अक्स of dark clouds गहरे बादलों का, turned into streams नदी में बदल जाना. The high walls was drenched. The leaves of trees sparkled in glee. The high walls were drenched. ऊंची दीवारें भीग गईं. The leaves of trees sparkled in glee. Glee means मैरी या खुशी. Low-lying areas were flooded. निचले वाले जो सतह के इलाके हैं वहाँ पे सैलाब आ गया था. The young and the old alike ran up and down the flooded streets. There were there were scenes of jubilation all around. Jubilation means khushi. It rained for about an hour. Last vehicles broke down on the flooded roads. Motorcyclists slipped and fell in pools of water. Nobody felt sorry. You know, it does not rain every day, does it? Rainy season is that season which everybody enjoys. But everything has some advantages as well as disadvantages. So, as the rain provides water to fields and is responsible for agricultural growth. But if we look at the disadvantages, it may cause trouble for the people who live in a mud house.